coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you and we'll do.
Did you guys just saw that intro that I just put? The little cartoon my little cousin Nelson drew it, and he is so talented, so you guys have to follow him. And with that drawing that he made of me, I made a PNG, put little eyes, a background, and it looks like ghosts. I love it. Guys, get super excited because at last I'm doing a unicorn school supplies video. This is your favorite video in my whole channel, and get even more excited because all the DIYs in this video will be up for a giveaway for one lucky person. Don't forget to go to the description box so you can read all the rules and participate from this giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Follow my Instagram and share my Snapchat. Now let's start. Unicorn backpack. For this DIY you will need a backpack. Thank God mine brings a horn and ears. That makes my life easier. Anyways guys, you will get a ping pong ball and then an Exacto knife, cut it in half and then glue it to your bag. Now draw a brown circle. We're making the Despicable Me unicorn, and then draw a small black circle inside. Now get jewelry wire and start shaping it until you have the shape that you want. Then you will cut it. You cannot see how I cut it, but you will see how I cut the wire when I do the nose. Now glue it. If you're going to use a glue gun, be very careful and try to hold it while you glue it with another thing, because if not you will get burned. Now get black jewelry wire and start shaping it until you have a little diamond. Before you glue anything, make sure that all the sequins are looking to one side. Now look how I glue the nose, holding it with pliers. Get pink felt and draw a little tongue. Then cut it. Now glue it. Get a feather bow and measure how much you will need. Then cut it and then glue it to your backpack, and that's basically it. It's super easy and it's so cute that everybody will be like, oh my god, I love your bag.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Unicorn paperclip. For this DIY you will need a silicone mold, then fill it with hot glue gun. When it dries, you will take it out and cut all its imperfections. Then you're going to paint it. I paint the body white, the hair and tail pink, the horn gold with nail polish, the little feet pink, and then put glitter nail polish to the horn. Then I painted the eye in the shape of a U. I recommend to use a mechanic pencil to be more precise. To use it as a brush. Then glue it to your paper clip, and that's it. It's super easy and it's super cute. Rainbow sharpener. For this DIY you will need air clay, a sharpener. You're going to flatten your clay, then you're going to wrap it around your sharpener, making a little tube. Then you're going to fold it, forming a little rainbow. Then we're going to cut the edge. We're going to fill our little tube with clay. Then we're going to close it like this. Cut the other edge, and then we're going to clean this part like this. Now get some water so you can smooth the edges with a tool like this or with your finger. wait until it dries. And now we're going to paint it, and that's it. And it looks so pretty that no one will believe you that this is a sharpener. You can even use it as room decor.
Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch.
Unicorn pencil. For this DIY, you will need a silicone mold. Fill it with hot glue gun. Then when it dries, you will take it out, cut all its imperfections, and then you're going to paint it. I painted the face white, the hair pink, the little eyes black, the horn gold, and gold glitter. Get your pencil and glue it on the top of your unicorn. It looks so pretty. Who will guess that this is glue? Unicorn notebook. For this DIY, you will need a paper. Trace your notebook. Then make a line 1.5 inch. Make your horn. I wanted my little horn to be longer, so that is why it has 2 lines, so ignore one. Now make this shape. I don't know what is this shape. And then make your little nose, mouth, and eyes. Make your ear in shape of a leaf. Then make the hair. And then you will cut only these 3 parts. Now get cardstock and trace your notebook. I always like to add 1 inch just in case. Then cut it, glue it to your notebook. And guys, that inch was used, so thank God I used it. And then cut the excess out. Now we're going to trace our pattern to our notebook. I'm doing these lines for reference when I start painting my notebook. Now do exactly the same to the back. Now you're going to start cutting it. There are some parts that it's really hard to cut it with your scissors, so you're going to cut it with your Exacto knives. But that's only for your cover page, because with the papers you won't need it. You will only use your scissors and that's it. Now trace your cover page. Get 10 papers and cut it. Then repeat the same process until you finish. Now we're going to draw the ear and hair for reference when we start painting it. I painted the face white, the hair pink. This part I wanted to paint it black, but then I changed it to blue, and then I painted the little nose, the little mouth, and the eyes. Now I'm going to cut the horn. Get a glitter gold foamy and trace your little horn and then cut it. Now glue it and do exactly the same to the back, and that's it. It looks super pretty and it's a super different notebook to the rest. DIY video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a huge thumbs up, and comment down below for my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. See you later, so goodbye. Bye, and don't forget to participate on the giveaway.